this video that will explain all details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and activities and facilities also. Hence, this hotel location and landmark also.
You will find lots of amenities on that are given by guests to enjoy their stay.
Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb asset of the reviews is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel.
Category 5. Prior to visit, show your ID at check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. From the hotel, discuss class and the hotel interactions.
5 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay.
Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various treatments and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the code that is provided in the
This channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video.